Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are in the master plan community of Marley Park in Surprise, Arizona, and we will be going on a tour from the builder Homes By Towne, and we're going to be checking out their model home 2159. So let's go take a look. Kamusta Kababayans, I am Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you are brand new to my channel, guys, I go around all the brand new construction communities. I tour their model homes and I tour their move-in ready homes, guys. And I also drive around different areas, different cities here in Arizona, so you can see firsthand how those areas look, okay, guys? So if you like what you see, definitely do me a favor and hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Follow me in all these home tours and to stay up to date with all things real estate here in Arizona, okay? So today we are in Surprise, Arizona, and we will be touring in the master plan community of Marley Park, okay? And I have toured different builders and different communities around Surprise, Arizona, and this by far is, the best location in my opinion, just because it is so close to Bell Road, which is one of their main roads there, okay? And it's also close to Waddell Road, which will have Costco and this new Prasada community, okay? So to me, this community is definitely in the best area in Surprise. Stick around to the end of this video, guys, because I will be going around the community too, because this community has a lot to offer. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys. Okay, and then we'll be talking about, okay, the HOA, the lot premiums, who is Home By Towne, how do they build, are they a spec builder, do they give options? We're going to be getting into all that, okay, guys? So with that being said, let's go ahead and tour model home 2159. guys, we're gonna take the Batmobile to the clubhouse. Okay guys, so as you saw from that video, model home 2159 is pretty beautiful, okay? And also that area, the community is absolutely gorgeous, right? I really love, this community is very lively, so they always host different things for the community as well. Okay, they do farmers markets such as game nights. They have that really nice community garden as well, which is really cool that you could go there. You can plant some crops to share with your neighbors. You could go there and pick some fresh vegetables for yourself also. So that is really cool, okay? So let's talk about the HOA and how much you have to pay, okay? So the HOA is $125, guys. And that $125 gives you access to all of that. So the clubhouse, unfortunately, it was locked, so I could not go inside. But I can assure you it is absolutely gorgeous inside, really big, very spacious, vaulted ceilings, really nice fireplace as well. So you could definitely host some big events there. And that $125 covers all of that, okay? Let's talk about, the location-wise, the proximity. So Marley Park, okay, Homes By Towne. Homes By Towne is one of the few builders that is in the master plan community of Marley Park. And where this community is situated is, like, let's say, for example, I'm going to take into consideration the Surprise Town Center, okay? Surprise Town Center, and I'll put it up on the screen for you. You're looking at about 11 to 10 minutes, or 10 to 11 minutes to get to that town center, okay, guys? And that is Bell Road. On that main road, you'll see a lot of great stuff there, okay? Next is Waddell Road. And Waddell Road, you will have Costco. And literally, guys, from this community, Waddell Road, specifically Costco, okay, is 5 minutes away. Okay, so it's a blessing and a curse at the same time, because obviously with Costco, you go there with a budget sometimes, but then your eyes start to wander off, and what your $50 budget became now $300. And then you treat yourself with $1.50 hot dog or pizza, right? That's how it goes all the time. Okay, so let's talk about the proximity to the Phoenix Sky Harbor, which is the international airport here in Arizona. You're looking at about a 35-minute drive to the international airport. Okay, if you're looking to catch like Suns game, okay, you're looking at about a 35-minute drive there as well. And what's really nice about, living in Surprise is that your neighboring city is Glendale, right? And Glendale, they are building the new Mattel Adventure Park, right? So that is really awesome. If you don't know, Mattel Adventure Park, the Mattel is the creators of like Barbie, Thomas the Train, Hot Wheels. So they're going to have this massive adventure park there, guys. And that is in the neighboring city. So very close by to this community. Okay. And then also, as far as, things to do in Surprise or things that are around there as well. So within this community, guys, you are literally minutes away from the Surprise Community Park. Surprise Community Park, guys, you have a really nice lake there, okay, and you have a nice trail that wraps around the lake. You have really nice covered playgrounds for the little ones as well, if you have any little ones. A lot of open green space to play with the dogs, to walk the dogs, to sit around, have a picnic, guys. Really nice. And across from that, okay, you have the training camp for the Texas Rangers and the Kansas City Royals. So whether or not, you're a fan of those two baseball teams, it's really cool to go and check out and, just grab a beer or two and just, kind of just watch a little bit, right? On some hotter days also, you have the Surprise Aquatic Center, okay? And over there, you can do laps if you wanted to, do some laps and practice on your strokes, okay? Or they have some really cool slides as well, and do some free swims there as well, okay? So that's all in that same area, and this community is very, very close by, okay, guys? If you're looking to go kind of further and explore Arizona, so Lake Pleasant is a really cool place to check out, okay? And you're looking at about a 40-minute drive to Lake Pleasant. Homes By Towne, they only build spec homes. So that purchase price that you see, right, is like straight out the door. The average lot size square feet here is 3,600 square feet. Now, they do have some Model 2159 that are going to be released in the future that are bigger lots. Okay, I think the bigger one that they're going to have is like 10,000 square feet, and the other one will be just over 8,000 square feet. So if you are interested in those lots, definitely make sure you reach out to me so I can make sure that you are on top of that when they release those. Okay, so let's talk about that build out time. They release the homes, it takes about 7 months from when they break ground to complete the house, okay? and they released the home at the framing stage. Okay, so they're about 3 months in. There's no room for you to choose any options or upgrades, okay? So again, these are spec homes. Everything is already predetermined for you, which is great because you see from the home tour that Homes by Towne chooses really great finishes, and they're a really beautiful home builder, okay? So Homes by Towne, they have numerous designs, okay? So we just toured model home 2159, and I will go ahead and I'll share on the screen here some of the other model homes that they still have, okay? There's an opportunity for you to take advantage in this community. That was all the information I have for you guys about this community. Hey, if you have any specific communities, an area or a home that you would like more information on, and if you would like for me to tour for you, please feel free to leave me a comment. Feel free to shoot me a text, send me an email. I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey, guys, and help you find, that home for you and your family, for yourself. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.